Welcome to the personal property tour for 21 Rosslyn Court in Kirkcaldy. This is a 3-bedroom townhouse. It's got a private garden, you've got resident parking, it's in moving condition, nothing to do, back garden, blank canvas, really great and ready to put your own stamp on. And I'll just take you on the tour. So this is the property here. So this is your grassy area to the front, and then I'll take you on the tour. So you'll see that there's a high-end finish in the property, really nothing to be done. The carpets as well, they literally look brand new. So it's lovely and bright when you come into the lower hallway. As I said earlier, it is a townhouse, so it's over 3 levels. So we will start on the mid-level. So as we come up the stairs, you have quite a bit of the living space on this level. So you can see the kind of upper hallway space you have. I'll just flip the camera this way so you can get a better feel for that. And then straight ahead we go into the first of the double bedrooms. So as soon as you walk in, you can see how much closet space you've got, which is fabulous. So again, space, ample space for a king double bed. Good wardrobe space as well, so lots of storage. It's a nice bright room actually. Pretty neutral, so again you're able to put your own stamp on everything here. So we'll go back out into the hallway. And then off the hallway is the family bathroom. So again, nothing to do in here. Love the tiles. So your bath, your overhead thermostatic shower, your sink and your WC. And then off the bathroom, to the left here is second bedroom, which is currently being utilised as the dressing room. So again, you can see plenty of space for storage. It's a great dressing room actually. Great for a home office, child room, craft room. It's a good space. Let's see from this angle, because that's quite big furniture that's in here. And then we go up to the 3rd level. So again, you go through this private door, which I think is great. Lovely and bright because you've got that window there to the side. Again, the carpet is flowing all the way through. But I love this space because it's almost like a mezzanine bedroom. Really great use of the space up here. So as you can see, very spacious. Currently being used as a home office. Lovely and bright. So you've got the double Velux window there and the single here. But you could easily get a king bed there. Designer built-in furniture. It's a great space. Lovely and bright. Then we take you back downstairs. So as you can see here, you've got that window which makes it nice and bright in the hall. It feels very private because you've got this door at the bottom as well, which is giving you lots of good space with privacy. Then back into the hallway, down to the lower level. And again, the door's letting in so much natural light. Then we go into the lounge. So lovely and bright in here. It's a good space. Lovely sitting room. In the far corner you've got understairs storage. So it's a nice sized lounge. We'll go into the kitchen. So it's a dining kitchen as well, so lots of good space here. I love the grey finish. So you have your integrated appliances here. So you have your fridge and your freezer, your oven, hob and extractor above. Lots of nice space here. Great that you've got that dining area as well. So ample space for furniture. At the moment that's set for 4. You could easily get a large table in there if you wished. I'll show you from this angle. It's a really nice size dining kitchen actually. And the bonus as well of the kitchen, which is great if the kids are in the garden, is in here you have a WC as well. So you have a downstairs WC, which I think is fab. So again, a good space. You've got your WC and your wash hand basin here. with a good space. You've then got the patio doors which take you out into the garden. So as I mentioned earlier, the garden is pretty much a blank canvas. So opportunity to create your own outdoor space. So it's fully enclosed, which is fabulous. So great for your pets or your children. Get down to the bottom of the garden and then you can see the property. You could get a fantastic patio arrangement here, outside furniture, barbecues. Quite a few of the other houses have done that and it looks really nice. So it really is a nice outside space. So to recap, this is the personal property tour for 21 Rosslyn Court in Kirkcaldy. It's a 3-bedroom townhouse. You have a family bathroom, your WC, garden, pretty much blank canvas for you to create what you'd wish. Great living space in regards to the dining kitchen as well. Really does offer great housing for a family. Prime location. You're literally 5-minute drive, you're down to the promenade. 2-minute drive, you're onto the bypass. Takes you over to Edinburgh, obviously to Dundee in the other direction. You've got all the local amenities close at hand as well, so it really is a fantastic area for a commute as well. This is on the market with ourselves at the moment for offers over 195,000. If it's of interest to yourself, feel free to message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000. And it's Perry at Fife Properties. Take care, bye bye.